Just like moms, we used to stay in the slums of LA. By the way, gangbangers killing each other for rent, selling rock cocaine on my doorstep. Had them all about, was a bike to ride, but my mama never would let me play outside. But when I got enrolled in elementary school, started banging like a fucking fool. So cool, throwing up gang signs to the gangster beat. Shot an enemy from across the street. Mama came home, said she got a good job. Daddy did too. Now they don't squad financially. We improving. 2 months later, son, we moving. No more dirt from shotgun shell. Bought a 2-story house in East Palmdale. Give it to me now. Palmdale, hey, come back to me. I need you and I love you, baby. Palmdale, come back to me. Check it out, check it out, check it out. No more rats and no more roaches. Living next door to football coaches. Now I got a new place to sell my crack. Now I got little white kids to jack. I stopped wearing blue and tripping on red. Too busy squabbling with the skinheads. Stupid questions distract the class. Rubbing little white girls on the ass. I didn't really care about past the bell. I knew I was fit for the NFL until the playoff game. Shoulder got hurt. I thought about my future laying in the dirt. I can't jump. I can't flinch. Superstar player. Riding a bitch. Graduate from school. Don't make me laugh. I got a F+ in basic math. Give it to me now. Hey, yeah. Come back to me. I gotta do one song for my neighborhood. Come back to me. Check it out. I knew I couldn't make it in the world, so I bought me some cookies and a Jerry curl. I knew I couldn't make it in the I went to East Palmdale, started slanging, yeah, for sure. I was making crazy though. Should've dropped out of school a long time ago. Bought a cell phone, like a nut. Now I deliver like Pizza Hut. I drunk whiskey and Bacardi. I sold dope to anybody. Me and my homies sold dubs and dimes. Took turn busting rhymes just to pass the time. A white man drove up to my spot. Hey, homeboy, what you got? I put him back, put him inside his hand.